Hi everyone, meteorologist Chad Evans here with a look at your daily weather forecast video sponsored by Trent Johnson State Farm. Trent is my agent.com. We've got some rainfall coming in Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then near if not record warmth coming next week. But with that, we have 3 storm systems that have to come through with some showers and thunderstorms, and I do think some severe weather risk will creep into our area. Also, with all the ice melting and breaking up on area creeks and streams and rivers, we're going to see some local ice jams that develop, resulting in highly variable water levels in some creeks and streams in the area. And then 2 rounds of much colder air coming in very late February into early March, and 2 potential winter weather events that occur during that time as well, with some snow and perhaps some snow and ice. Just some high thin cirrus clouds and mid-level, what we call altostratus clouds this afternoon. They're dimming and they're fading that sun away somewhat. It's kind of a faint glowing ball in the sky, but they're thinning out over northern Illinois, and we'll see some clearing as the evening goes on from northwest to southeast, followed by some frost and a little patchy light freezing fog tonight, as lows drop into the 20s, but right now we're running anywhere from 36 to 47. 46 at Covington, it's 43 at the Purdue Airport, we're 39 at Galveston, and we're 42 at Fowler, as we see some of the clouds around right now at Otterburn as well as Monticello. So after a lot of sunshine tomorrow, just a few patchy clouds. We cloud up with time Saturday, we're cloudy Saturday night, and here comes some of that rain coming in from the southwest, moving towards the area. But the thing is, it should start to get out of here by Sunday midday, and after that it's dry for a little bit. It just only gets warmer and windy early next week before some scattered showers and thunderstorms come back in by Thursday. But here's some of that rain coming in Saturday night. Should get in here after sunset, moving from southwest to northeast. You see it right there. Not going to be a big rainfall event, but generally 0.15 to as much as 0.4 of an inch of rain can be expected. But some scattered showers and thunderstorms Thursday, and then showers and thunderstorms Friday, especially in the evening and into the nighttime hours as well. And then we'll probably see a third system with showers and thunderstorms just after that. But ahead of them, very warm, windy, spring-like weather. Behind that third system, much colder air comes in, and we'll have to watch this system coming out of Texas. This could be ice and snow that impact our area after February the 25th, as the record warmth goes away and temperatures turn much colder, but not after above normal rainfall. This rainfall is really going to add up. As a matter of fact, much of the area is going to get near 2 inches of rain. In some places a little more than that between February 12th and February the 25th. And also, I do think we've got the risk of getting some severe weather up into our area. Generally the marginal to slight risk into our zone. This is where the severe weather looks to be the most concentrated during this time. Generally Arkansas, Oklahoma, Mississippi, Alabama, up into Kentucky and southern Indiana. But I do think some of that risk will get up into our area. The tornado risk may creep up into our area as well. So bottom line is, there will be multiple rounds of severe weather down here especially. This is kind of slight to enhanced risk parameters showing up. We may end up with marginal to slight risk, perhaps a time or two from what's going to be a very active period of weather. It's going to feel more like spring than winter. But the cold comes back. It's late February to early March. Temperatures dropping way below normal, and with precipitation running above normal, that spells the risk of snow and ice. And we are projected to put down another layer, perhaps of 4+ inches of snowfall by early March. But then it changes. After all the rain and then the snow and the ice, big thaw, big warm up, and drier weather comes in. This is mid-March, between the 16th and 21st. After the cold hangs on for a while, mid-March looks much warmer. Temperatures going above normal, highs reaching the 70s, but I do think those 70s will come to an abrupt end with some severe weather towards March 22nd, and then one last hurrah of snow between the 25th and 31st of March, and hard freezing with a cold snap then as well. So after frost and a little patchy light freezing fog tonight, Tomorrow's a warm day at 51 with lots of sunshine. Really nice into the work week. 48 Rochester to mid-50s Cayuga. Low to mid-50s Fowler, low 50s Lafayette, 50 at Flora, 51 at Delphi. On Saturday, increasing and thickening clouds will be turning overcast by evening, but after 29 in the morning, a nice 54 for your high temperature. Highs vary from 49 Rochester to as high as about 55 degrees at Cayuga over towards Pence, 52 Flora, 52 Monticello and Chalmers, and 52 at Frankfort. Then we get into the near, if not record warmth coming next week. Forecasting a high of 64 Wednesday, the record 66. But 68 Thursday would tie the record set in 1930. The 68 Friday would be close to the record of 69 in 2018. The 68 projected for Saturday would break the record of 67 set in 30, and then I think in one final surge of warmth towards maybe the 24th or 25th, we could hit 70, but we shouldn't break the record set in 2000. And the night times will be record warm as well. 49 for a low would break the record of 47 for Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. And look at these lows, generally mid to upper 50s, breaking these record warm low temperatures set in 2014, 1930, and 2017. So your daffodils are going to be poking up big time, and the silver maples will start to bud here in the coming week. 54 Monday for President's Day after that period of rain early Sunday. 60 on Tuesday, 64 Wednesday, 68 degrees Thursday. Scattered shower storms developing. Shower storms especially late Friday night. They come to an end Saturday, still warm. A little cooler on Sunday before another surge of big warmth comes in after that.